So what we've got here, Andy, we've got a Huxley Little David Stump grinder.
Stump. You don't want to be too stumpy here, Peter. It's a lovely little thing, isn't it?
If you say so.
Yes, yeah. I bought it in a deal with a Vincent.
Aha.
I don't need it. We've got a man thinks he likes it, I want to show him the videos. Peter is a man for videos.
Oh, right.
So there we are.
Well,
I think you could probably trim your toenails with it quite well.
Oh, yeah, this is not health and safety conscious, that's for sure.
Yeah, I definitely want to move the handle to one side, I think.
Yeah.
Don't think it's not a lot of work. There came a chap in Cambridge, he bought it to do some stumps in his garden, and that was about it.
So we have a fuel tap here.
Yeah. Dan is on.
Yeah, down or up is on.
There you go.
In the vertical plane, the tap is on.
Yeah. He said he fitted a new battery 6 months ago, so there we are.
This is a brake.
A one-wheel brake.
Like a band around the wheel.
Yeah.
Put that on.
Yeah.
You don't want to wipe out the pub opposite.
No.
So,
Brake on.
brake on. Ignition. Run and start. Pretty self-explanatory, really, isn't it? Kill button. Okay. Is this American?
No, look,
Oh, right.
look what it says here.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Yank. It might be a nice American engine. I wouldn't say Yank engine. But
So, pull that out to run. There's your throttle.
needs a bit of choke. Needs a bit of choke to start, doesn't it? But not a lot.
Bit of choke.
Yeah.
Bit of throttle.
So it's been cold for several hours, so we're now going to watch Peter start it.
Mm-hmm.
Brum brum.
I'm sure we got it jacked up because
Yeah.
the old stump grinder bit on the back is live all the while. So you don't want.
I think it will come with the obligatory cheese crate, orange crate.
Yeah.
I don't know, an orange crate. Isn't it?
So,
Ignition on.
ignition on and.
How much choke does it need? That's
Yeah.
not too much. Can't imagine why you need to idle it anyhow. You're just going to do the business, aren't you? Bearings all sound nice, isn't it? I guess that handle will demonstrate when you turn it off, right? I think that will probably turn round.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you've got the kill button.
And obviously on the key as well.
Yeah. So, does that handle? Can you slacken it and then you go around? You've not tried. No, it needs more of a hero than us. Yeah.
You can turn it. It looks like you probably could. But
Yeah. They are a nice little bit of kit. And so we've potentially got a new home for it anyhow, just demonstration on YouTube.